And as the last one, of course, again with the tractor and the brush.
Yeah, for the utility scale installations, there are two main ways that you can use the CRA. They always involve spraying and brushing and rinsing. You can use an agricultural sprayer to go in front of the tractor and spray the CRA, and then a few seconds later come with a brush with clean water and brush and rinse the cement. Or if you don't have access to an agricultural sprayer, you can use the brush itself as a sprayer, where you just spray without the brush rotating, and you need to do a second pass with clean water to brush and rinse the modules. Have in mind that the time between changing from CRA to fresh water must be short enough not to let the CRA dry on the modules. Otherwise, the cement will stiffen up, will harden up again, and you might need to reapply the CRA. So,
might be advisable to use two tractors.
If you have two tractors available, it's the best option. One in front applying the CRA, and the other a few seconds later to brush and rinse. So the time between two steps needs to be quick enough not to let it dry. It's an important point. Otherwise, the product will lose its efficiency, and you will need to reapply it.
Yep.
Also, for utility scale, we advise the use of the coating afterwards, the anti-static solar armor that we'll speak about in a different module, as a preventive measure to the cement contamination that will allow you to delay the buildup of cement and have some cleanings with just water.
So you don't need
to use CRA every time that you clean, because it's labor intensive and it's also much more expensive than using the coating itself. So it's our approach, especially for the CRA, is always remediating the problem, getting all the cement out, and then use the correct coating to protect the modules, so you can keep cleaning for a year or so without having to use the CRA again. So also important always is having the correct cleaning schedule for cement contamination, because if you leave the plant for 6 months without cleaning, you'll probably need to use the CRA again. And even if you use a coating, if you leave it too long, might not be effective enough, and the cement might have affected already the coating, and you'll need to reuse the CRA. So CRA combined with the coating, it will work really well, but have in mind that the cleaning schedule, the time between cleanings, is very important to be defined for each plant, so you don't need to be using CRA every time to clean the plant.